say metronome, and most people picture a child at a piano lesson with the tick-tock of the metronome keeping time.
But add some high-tech equipment and a computer into the brains of that whole setup, and that timekeeper becomes therapy. Tonight on Lifeline, a look at how Courage Center is using an interactive metronome to help patients recover from strokes and brain injuries. David Jewell is in the running to become a National Merit Scholar, the kind of teen more likely to be studying than playing video games. Except, back in April, David wrecked his car. He spent 3 months in the hospital. Now he has one goal, a big one.
That's one of the best ones you've had.
Being able to do all the things I used to do. I'm still not able to drive.
These games are a big part of David's therapy. They're tied into an interactive metronome on a computer. David needs to anticipate the rhythm and time his tapping to the tones. His scores are steadily improving.
Not only are they improving on the program, they're also improving with their ability for walking more smoothly or getting themselves dressed faster and those types of things too.
David is a gifted cellist. His mother Leanne says playing music was another part of his life the accident took away. But the Courage Center team adapted the interactive metronome, even fashioning a cello neck piece with sensors to help David rebuild his coordination and hand strength. His mother says there was no doubt it's accelerated his progress.
Tremendous. Any of these exercises just gives him a little more confidence to move his body smoother and just reconnect those connections in the brain. It's just really remarkable.
While Courage Centers use this predominantly with clients who've had brain injuries, they've also found success working with children who have autism, those with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and those with coordination issues.
And we're finding out that that really affects things like language, like attention and focus, like your motor control. If I throw a ball to you, do you know how to catch it?
Courage Center says the interactive metronome is a great way to beat the boredom of therapy's essential repetitions, as the therapist helps a patient retrain their brain.
So if one part is damaged, the brain will learn how to use a different part to rewire, but you need a lot of repetition, a lot of practice at home to reinforce the skills that we're using here.
It was good, David.
Talked to David's dad tonight. He says he is doing better every day. Insurance generally pays for the interactive metronome therapy, and for more information about it or on the Courage Center itself, just go to WCCO.com/links.